Good evening. Welcome back once again. This is Gini Aneja, your numerologist and tarot card reader. And that's not just what I do. What also I do is care for you. And that care makes me bring a lot of wonderful personalities on my channel that could be of your help. And with all that is going around, the dis-ease of the body or lungs, and of certain medications that are given to prevent that from happening, which has not really been very fruitful. But detox and a lot of other diseases that we hear about being lethal, or a lot of other diseases, actually A to Z, all the diseases. So what is important is a solution, and I believe more in solutions. Like, for example, if you know me and if you've taken my readings, you know that I believe more in guidance and solution through tarot or numerology rather than predictions. So, here again, instead of mulling over disease, why, what, blah, blah, isn't it better that we go for the solution to treat it as soon as possible? So today I have done an interview with Dr. Before on my other channel, Satyavachan Ek Coach, but there she had not come on the camera. Today I have her on camera here, and she's going to be open to taking questions from you. So let's welcome, hello Dalia, hello Jay, let's welcome Dr. Susan Raj. Hi Doctor.
Namaskar.
Namaste. And I have spoken about the mineral therapy that she does a lot of times on a lot of my videos. Thank you. And I've given her number, shared her number with a lot of my clients who've asked for help. Today I nailed her today. I got her here. I was like, you have to do this, because the reason being, she's doing an amazing job of getting healers from different. There is some disturbance on your side, I think.
Nothing. Fine.
I don't know. Anyway. So she is getting healers from. Is it mine? Okay. So because every time I talk, it's happening. So she's getting healers. This is the third time I'm saying this, from a lot of modalities together. So I think instead of me going on and ranting about it, I think it's better that let's hear it from her, what it is all about and how it will help us. Thank you so much for doing what you're doing in the first place, Dr. Susan. So please carry on.
Thank you so much, Gini. It is always such a pleasure to be with you, and really, a lot of your friends have come through my last talk with you, and they all are benefiting. They have become the part of the community. Wonderful. God is using you in a different ways to help people to heal. And for me, I am called to heal the body, mind, and the soil. Now the connection goes like body, mind, and the soil, but actually everything lies in the mind. The first thing happens in the mind, and then it goes into the soil, and then it comes to our body. That is the sequence, actually. So,
Right.
for the sake of sounding good, I say, okay, it is body, mind, and the soil. But in the scientific way, you see, it is the mind, soil, and the body. Body is the last one, which actually shows what is happening in our mind and in our surrounding. Okay, so I am called to heal body, mind, and the soil, and for that I use connection, like combination of the therapies. I believe that God has created our body, or our body is designed to die with aging and accidents only.
Right.
Diseases are only to keep our immune cells active. Adventure is our lifestyle. It's supposed to be. But what happens?
One second. You said body, mind, and soil or soul?
Soil, SOIL.
Oh,
That is
okay.
the mean.
Okay. Please carry on. We'll ask that questions later.
Yeah. So uh, as I was saying, that our diseases are not supposed to be the reason for our death. Diseases are only to keep our immune cells active. Our body is designed to self heal. How it heals? It heals with the presence of oxygen. That is our body is oxygenating body, and that
Yes.
is why the cycle is there in our nature, that the plants will take carbon dioxide and it gives back oxygen. We inhale oxygen and give back carbon dioxide. This is a
Right.
cycle in the nature. So
Right.
when we break this cycle by the behavior of ours, that is the time, one by one, like a card, it falls down. And health is the ultimate indicator which tells that something is wrong in our behavior. So that is why where I stand with my BSc nurse as a qualification, MSW in medical and psychiatry, and doing my real specific research on the use and throw behavior of human beings, because I am concerned about our health. And if we don't change our behavior, our diseases will kill us. So there are solutions, and if we as human beings take these solutions, we can change our world.
Right. Okay. So there are two questions here. Shall I take that?
Yes,
Okay.
please.
So Nirvana asks, why soil and not soul?
Such a good question. Yeah. So many people tell me, Susan, it is not supposed to be soil. It's supposed to be soul. I said, soul, let God take care of it because He has created. Soil is something which we can take care.
Right.
Okay. So soil is an amazing gift from God, Bhumi. This Bhumi, it like it gives us our food. So we are supposed to take responsibility to keep it fertile. Okay. So there has to be a cycle from us. So मैं कहती हूँ थाली से थाली, from plate to plate, the project has to go. When you are eating a food, whatever remain comes, it is a raw material for the fertilizer for farmers. And all those which is non-degradable, they are the raw material for the factories. So if we take care of the segregation of all our remaining material at the source in our home, then our soil is going to be healthy, because we are giving the raw material to the farmer. And the farmer will produce the best produce, which is balanced in the environment. They don't have to then use a lot of pesticides. Today, we are having poison in our plates. Why? Because we are into agriculture, not permaculture.
Right.
Okay, so agriculture can stay for 3 generations, whereas permaculture will stay for generation to generation. We should not break the cycle, and we have broken it. So I have taken the responsibility to heal the soil also. Then only our body can achieve that health which we need to achieve. Is that clear?
Beautiful. Yeah, wonderful. And so Jay, she's already explained how life should end. He's asking, how is life supposed to end then? Is it supposed to be painless?
Okay. See, aging should be, according to the scientific studies, human beings. I would take it this way: every creature in this planet has got a different mouth. Have you seen that? The birds have
Yeah,
got different mouth, beaks they have.
yeah,
We have different animals, because there is a different purpose for them, and the food style is different. Okay.
different.
So the small birds can have small, they can peck the small seeds according to
Yeah,
their mouth is created.
right,
Our
right.
mouth is created round, isn't it?
Yeah,
Like that.
yeah, yeah.
So what we are supposed to be eating? We are supposed to be eating only fruits and any kinds of fruits and
Oh,
vegetables. Okay, that is how our body is created. So if we eat only fruits, this body can survive for 300 years. So, but now
wow.
we have changed the habit for so many, like thousands and thousands of years. We learned to cook and to survive. We have changed our food habits. So, if we take care of our body well, then it can survive 120 years. So, now how aging happens? the each cells will have their own life. So definitely our death needs to be painless, and it is not in our hands. So what I say, we need to have two insurances done in our life. One is accident insurance, and second is old age insurance. What is old age insurance? When you are becoming old and you cannot reproduce, you need somebody to take care of you. You should be
Yes.
able to employ a person. So you are becoming a employer even at the deathbed. Okay, so if we have that system, our death will not be painful because we have got very good pain management strategies. So what is
Right.
important is the skills in our life, the relationship skills. We need to manage our life well. If we understand, okay, accident hai or aging hai, we have to prepare for this, then we don't go for life insurance, because life insurance aapko kab milta hai? After your death. After your death, there is no point. We have to create new system, which I call as a Bhagwan economy also. That is another, like, trigger I have put. A lot of people will think that what is this Bhagwan economy? That is a big topic, and I have created it. You will enjoy. I'm sure you will enjoy.
So, what is this Bhagwan economy?
Okay, Bhagavan. Bha is Bhumi, Ga is Gagan, Va is Vayu, A
Wait,
is
wait,
Agni.
wait. Let me write it down as you say. Okay, start.
Bha, Bhumi,
Huh?
Ga,
Bhumi,
Gagan,
G, Gagan,
Gagan, Va,
uh,
Vayu,
G, Gagan,
hmm,
Gagan, V,
Va, Vayu,
Vayu,
व में आ की मात्रा है is for
A,
Agni, Agni.
Agni. So the
Yeah.
elements. Okay.
Yes, yes. And Na for Neer. Neer means water, pani.
No. Oh, wow. My God.
Okay.
How intelligent that is.
So
So the
our these are,
balance of the five elements, basically.
yes, our forefathers, our
Amazing.
ancient rishis and munis, they have given us this word called Bhagwan. Okay, what we were taught that Bhagwan ki puja karni chahiye. What is the puja? You have to take responsibility for all these five elements in the nature.
Amazing.
So, what is Bhagwan economy? Bhagwan economy, we are supposed to be having Bhagwan economy. Not our economy today is based on gold or precious metal, on oil, or we are on the data economy. What you call this? Um, Everywhere, if you are today information has become data, and data has become money, and the stock market is going up and down based on these things, but these are not the things which gives you life. Our stock market must go up and down according to the health quality of this Bhagwan.
Okay.
If
So
the
one
Bhagwan,
second.
Hmm.
One second. This one, Nirvana is saying, please explain in English. So she is not comfortable with Hindi. So I'll just explain to her. Bhagwan, that means in Hindi, God. So she's broken that up, and she's explaining that when in the ancient times they said that pray to God or pray to Bhagwan, it was actually the five elements. Bha is Bhumi, that is Mother Earth. Ga is Gagan, that means sky, ether. Va is Vayu, that means air. Is Agni, that means fire. And Na is Neer, which means water. So basically, the idea between creating Bhagwan was that you see God in nature and take care of nature, because if you take care of nature, nature will take care of you, and you will be healthy in every manner, right?
correct, yes. So our economy, जो हमारी अर्थव्यवस्था है, economy has to be based on Bhagwan, not on the gold or your what you call black gold, which is the oil, or our data. These are not the big. This cannot give you life.
Right.
But Bhagwan is for life, for every life on this planet. So we have to take responsibility. So if a community is taking care of their air, their water, their space, and their what you call energy, all the five elements, their bank account should be just filled immediately. We
Right.
have the technology can do it. Everywhere you can go and measure what is the, we need 20% oxygen in the air. If it is not measuring to 20%, that particular community's every bank account must be slashed down. They
Right.
each one will run there, nobody will be unemployed. किसी के पास बेरोजगारी नहीं होगी. Everyone will go and make sure कि मेरे लिए तो 10 प्लांट लग गए, ट्रीज लग गए. मेरा पानी में 8 ग्राम शुड बी द ऑक्सीजन लेवल. 8 ग्राम का ऑक्सीजन लेवल पानी में होना चाहिए.
हाय हाय, आपको प्राइम मिनिस्टर बन जाओ तो हिंदुस्तान का कुछ भला हो जाएगा.
I wish that these guys listen to this and take it. From when I am really propagating the Bhagwan economy, because once I was with Dr. Rajendra Singh ji, and he talked about Bhagwan. I said that is a wonderful thing, and I developed on it the Bhagwan economy.
Okay.
And some of my chartered accountants, they said it is brilliant. Only thing it should happen.
Seriously. Right. Okay.
So,
Doctor, you have been very actively involved in creating Ayushman.
yeah.
Now, the way you explained Bhagwan, I want you to explain Ayushman also. What is that
Oh,
new initiative that you have taken, and what all is happening there? Because I find it very intriguing. The
that
right
is
thing, actually, which should have happened long back, but thankfully somebody started it.
Yeah, I am so glad that our forefathers have created so many words which were so meaningless for us for certain centuries, and today it has got so much of meaning. So I get really fascinated by these abbreviations and the meanings. When we go in ancient times, our old if you see our forefathers, if anyone is lucky to have that, they would say Ayushman Bhava. That means long life. We have long life. And what happened, one day I was very upset about what is happening in our medical world, where some particular organization is having ego problem against somebody else, and instead of looking after the patients, they are running after to prove themselves that who is better than other. So I could see a competition among them, whereas I say that I can prove it scientifically that a competition in our life took place once, and that is over. That is our race from a father's body to mother's body. We ran our biggest marathon race, right, with 150 to 300 millions of our brothers and sisters, right? And for that one ovum we ran from 24 hours to 72 hours, we ran our race. And that particular moment, you and I were the winners. Rest, all of them died. And after that, after those minutes and seconds, we came into the months of the timing. We were there in our mother's womb for 9 months. And after that, that timing is over. We came to the planet where we count our time not only in seconds and minutes and months, we count it in years. And after these years, maybe light years, which is just beyond our understanding, and then we say it is the eternity. So I say the competition is over that day. Once we came on this planet, there is only cooperation. Samanvay and sahakarya. No more spardha. स्पर्धा नहीं, परंतु समन्वय सहकारी होना चाहिए. So when we compete with each other on this planet, we are going to create conflicts.
True.
Okay, so because of that, I was a little upset, and I was praying, and suddenly like a thought came that why can't we all come together? Who are these all? Ayurveda, yoga, Unani, Siddha, homeopathy. It is called Ayush. It is the ministry of Ayush in the health ministry of India. It's a fantastic step they took. Now we need to add why allopathy is going separate, why the mineral therapy is not coming inside, why the naturopathy is just merged with the yoga. I just thought, okay, let us bring them together. So what happened?
Wonderful.
I connected mineral therapies M, allopathy ka A, and naturopathy's N. It became Ayushman, and it made
Wow.
such a great meaning that when we come together in cooperation, हमारा competition खत्म हो गया. When we come together in cooperation, health has to happen. There is
Wonderful. So
no
every alphabet of Ayushman means something, means
yes
a different branch of medicine.
medicine. Absolutely.
Healing. I would call it healing. I wouldn't
Healing.
call it only medicine. It is a healing
Healing
medicine.
system. It is a healing system, and we must respect all the systems. We, as I'm an allopathy nurse, and we were taught not to respect the alternative medicines. They are quacks. It took time for me to break away from that mindset till I started working in the field of HIV/AIDS, where I was looking at the people, and I said my allopathy line of treatment said there is no treatment for virus, they have to die. And I said, I don't accept it. And that is the time the alternative medicine came on my way. I tried it and I saw that I could finish the death rate in my HIV positive patient in that particular group. And people around me were surprised. Even I was surprised. I started respecting uh, the alternate medicine from them. Then I went to National Institute of Naturopathy, and that is where I learned, oh my goodness, even if they can't show the scientific studies, but we have actual evidences. So scientific studies without evidence is useless. And here we have evidences. Why not just go back and create the study behind it? Because we
Right.
have got enough researchers done what is happening in our body, in our cells. We can look into the microscopes what is happening, and why can't these all be connected together? And that is how I learned how to integrate with each other. And now I know that it is not me alone who think about this. There are really wonderful doctors from all the lines of treatment
Can you
who
name
are.
some?
Oh yes, I can name them. Whatever, whomever I remember. One, I. So the first one which I got is Dr. Babu Joseph. He was the director of National Institute of Naturopathy in Pune, and now I know Dr. Bishwarup Roy Chaudhary. He is a diabetics expert, and his deep diet I use with my patients too. What is the meaning of DIP? It is a disciplined intelligence people's diet. It's an
Wow.
amazing thing he has done. And
Wow.
then yeah, I have Dr. Ravindra Vora. He's a pediatrician and surgeon. From allopathy, he has come into it. We have Dr. K.C. Sharma, Dr. Gunwant Oswal, Dr. Tarun Kothari, Dr. Vilas Jagdale from homeopathy. Then we have some more doctors' name I'm forgetting. There are so many from. We have Dr. Rajendra Singh ji from Ayurveda. So there are hundreds of them, but I just got connected with them and getting them into the group research every month. Every week I am getting new doctors into it. Whom we are looking for? We are looking for the doctors who have open mind to say that we are not perfect. We have to come together. We can work in cooperation. So even allopathy doctors, they are there, like Dr. Tarun Kothari, there, Dr. Vora, Dr. What is his name? Yeah, there are so many other names. So many allopathy doctors, so amazing. They are willing and they are still doing a combination of therapy for their patients. And those who are doing it integrated service for patients, they are seeing better results. And now the best part, what is happened? Dr. Bishwarup Roy has taken lead in all these things, and he had the advantage of being a naturopath, so nobody could put clutches on him. For 1 year he worked with his nice group, that is Network for Influenza Care Expert.
Oh,
And so this group, all more than 700 of nice experts, they have taken care of 60,000 patients who were infected with COVID. 20% of them were seriously infected. All of them got cured. And
wow.
Irish ministry on 21st of this month, July, approved them that yes, this is the cure. And on 23rd he announced it, and I have really sent across to everybody, 60,000 people. And he invited on 15th, he came to our channel. He said, Susan, this is, you are not the only one with the idea. I am also working in the same thing. He has got allopath, he's got a Ayurveda acharya and a homeopath, and he himself a naturopath. 4 lines of treatment has already come together, and he has created a 500 bedded hospital in Indore,
Wow.
100 bedded hospital in Chandigarh. You can
Oh,
go and visit. Yes. And they have called it HIIMS, that is hospital and institution, hospital and
hospital
institution, and
and
institution
institution
for
for
integrated
integrated.
medical sciences.
Wow. Okay, tell me something. In Ayushman, it is A, Ayurveda, Y, Yoga, U, Unani, mineral therapy, allopathy, naturopathy. What is S and H for?
S for Siddha and H for homeopathy.
Oh, yeah, right. Siddha and H is homeopathy. I
Yeah.
missed that. Sorry. So, what do you mean by Siddha? What exactly is it?
Okay, see, even I did not have much information about Siddha, so I started asking people. So, Siddha is one of the line of treatment which is dominant in the South India. So, in Siddha, they do use herbs, but they have a lot of spiritual therapies there, where they not only just treat, but they chant mantras and all, and they work on the mindset and connection with God. So they believe in a lot of spiritual therapies. So what
Right.
happened? I will get somebody expert in that, but somehow the documentation is not great, just like what happened for Ayurveda and homeopathy and other lines of treatment.
The
uh,
evidence is you.
yeah, yeah. So evidences are there. There are people who get healed, but these acharyas, the siddhas, they don't come up so openly because they think that they are very highly spiritually connected people. So they just sit there and in fact, South India, Kerala, in the rural areas, siddha is one of the major line of treatment. So most of the people know Siddha more in Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. Here, all the rural areas, the health is mainly managed by Siddha.
Okay.
And a few Unanis. I'm thinking that we should get connected some Unani practitioners, and they must be recognized. They must get their stage, and whatever they are good at, we must promote that for health.
I was also thinking about a couple more things. I had, so I told you about this Dr. Yogesh Vasandi, who's a friend of mine, who's a homeopath.
Mhm.
I I don't remember if I sent him your number, but I have spoken to him about it. Secondly, this integration that you're talking about, is it, are you planning to do something like that in every city of India?
Yeah.
Or is it just going to be online with one thing? And my second question is that actually, not question, my thought is that one is Tibetan medicine is supposed to be very effective.
Mhm.
uh, there's this Tibetan doctor in Dharamshala. Most of the people know about him. And the other thing is acupressure and acupuncture.
Yeah.
That is another. very effective, thing that one could use.
Yeah.
So maybe
Correct.
you could add that to
Yeah. See,
your.
what we are doing is that all this the energy healing, acupressure, acupuncture, these all are camouflaged in the naturopathy and yoga. Okay, so all these people can come in and they can tell us that which particular disease they cure the best, because every line of treatment has got its own limitations and its
Yes.
own advantages, so we will work with their advantage, their strength we will work with. If we are
Right.
not, if my line of treatment is not able to cure a particular disease, I should not go for the cure. I should stick on to what I can do the best with my therapy. So
Right.
now I've also added the latest, like, technologically advanced treatments, like uh, we all know that we all are the energies, our cell and everything is energy in the entire planet. Some of our
Hmm.
engineers, yesterday only I met the inventor of e-medica, who is an electronic engineer, and his ingenious, he is created a machine in
Hmm.
which he can program the quantity of energy according to the diseases. Okay,
Oh,
and
wow.
he, oh yeah, and his machine is curing almost every disease, because you can program. There are 23 formation in that, and he
Wow.
has shown it. And I saw his video where he's talking with ICMR, and like I went to ICMR, and like, no, there are so many other dynamics there. But thing is that it heals. So they have come into like, no, our group, and I was so glad to meet him yesterday. I said I am talking to the inventor, and we will do a great job there. And then another instrument which is Z Medicare, and this actually produces oxygen from our air. See, otherwise the oxygen production is so different process. So this engineer, another engineer, has created a machine in which oxygen from the air is taken and given extra to the patient for oxygen therapy. So they
So
are
that
treating
means
so many diseases.
all
Yeah.
all that deficiency of oxygen and oxygen cylinder over, that problem is solved
All.
once and for all.
Okay. Once and for all. Okay. And the
Wow.
third, another one, like, for the surgical cases, for trauma, they have created another engineer who's a chemical engineer. He's created amazing solution, which in 3 seconds, you have to just put the drop on the trauma wherever you have an injury, and it closes it, like, it closes the veins and the artery there, and the
Oh,
bleeding is stopped without just
hello.
yesterday. I really encountered all of them. I said, my goodness, before I am going to meet
Wow.
Guinea Aneja, I am having great things with me, and we just
So
connected all of
you
them together. Yes.
your path in life, your goal in life is so godly. It's so divine that God had to send these people to you. Imagine nobody else has heard about them and
Yes,
you actually met them.
that's it.
And
Met
I've been
them,
telling
yeah.
you since you did that Ayushman, I've been telling you to come, do an interview for last so long.
Yes,
And you just met
yes,
them one day before the interview. This is great.
yes, yes. And
God is
I was
supporting
not
you.
announcing. Amazing, amazing. It is just amazing. I was not announcing earlier, thinking that I wanted to really investigate properly. I don't like to go with the half knowledge,
Yeah.
and they wanted to give me a surprise. They said, "Susan, you are in
Uh,
Pune, and that person also is in Pune. Why don't you go and meet?" I just thought, okay, I'm meeting another person who is going to show me a machine. Oh my
uh,
goodness, it was just a mind blowing for me. I said, "I'm sitting with the inventor." He said, "Yes, ma'am." So humbly is saying, yes, I'm the inventor. And what we have decided, we are not going to go to the top level of the people. We are the healers. We need the machines. We need the tools. And we will give this benefit to the people,
wow.
to the doctors, to the nurses that use these things, and let there be healing. Let us not get scared of
Amazing.
any kinds of crisis of the health in this world. There is solution. We should create millions of people who have healed themselves, and then let the world know. And like what Dr. Vishwaroop has done, 60,000 patients he has cured, and he has got the data in his hand. Today our government is in a fix मजबूरी. मैं कहती हूँ मजबूरी क्या मजबूरी है, एक जगह उसको मंजूरी दे दी और दूसरी जगह मजबूरी है कि बोल नहीं सकते.
You know what I was most impressed with when you spoke about Ayushman?
Yeah.
You said that your goal is to heal the patient in
Yeah.
whatever manner. It doesn't matter whether it's homeopathy or Ayurveda or mineral therapy or whatever. So this group of doctors, their target is not to make money. Okay, if I give this patient to the dietitian, I will not make money. So you know that competition for money, making money is not there. That will come anyway. So that was what I was most impressed with. That is, I mean,
Yes,
nobody
yes.
really thinks about these things nowadays. Yeah, everybody's running after money, and here is one
Yeah.
group, one divine, group of people
Yeah.
who are only here to heal people. So people need to know about it.
Yes, yes. And you know what happened to that? The Gurudwaras opened their doors. And Gurudwara from the center, they announced that every Gurudwara in every state can have this center with them.
Wow.
Isn't that amazing? They are the people, Gurudwara people are the one who is collecting the money. And there are so many who are giving them. And all the poor people are getting healed. And those who have the resources, they can definitely afford it. It is not non-affordable. It is absolutely affordable. And you can have
Right.
health in your hand because you are healing your system. And what I will do, I will also heal the mind of the people. That see, if you want to have sustainable health, then you have to have sustainable behavior in your environment or towards your environment. अपने
Right.
प्रकृति के लिए सततता के नियम को तोड़ना नहीं. God has created the law of sustainability. If you break it, you will have consequence. If you follow
Absolutely.
it, you will have consequences. Because every decision we make in our life will have consequence, whether you like it or you don't like it. Today we don't like diseases. We are facing it because it is a consequence of our behavior towards our environment. So while we are healing our body, let us heal our mind.
True.
Start segregating.
How do you heal our mind? How do, like, for example, some people have mental issues, like they need a psychologist or, some OCD or some schizophrenia. So, what about
How
that?
do you, okay, see, all the problem which is happening to our, whether it is mental problem which you call schizophrenia or what you call bipolar or whatever kind of a mental problem or emotional problem is there, it has to do with your nervous system. And what is in nervous system? The toxic level which is coating our nervous system, it's confusing our body, and that is why we are becoming sick. Okay, so what? Our body has a system to detox.
Right.
So our food is supposed to be detoxing us. Our water, the air, everything is supposed to be detoxing.
True.
But when we change our habits only for a pleasure, then the pleasure lasts only for few seconds or few days or few years. And then the pain comes. And pain is the blessing because that tells us that you better change now. That is an indicator. Okay, so pleasure and pain and then taking a decision to change yourself to get rid of the pain, these are the processes we must go through. If we don't go through this, we will have emotional, mental, physical, all kinds of problems. The diseases are the indicators only. They tell us that we are doing something wrong with our environment. So the triangle in the nature and the circle in the nature, they are two sustainable figures. And when you match it, how will you match it? You have to understand with your head. That is all the questions you need to ask in your head. What, why, how, who, when, where, all these questions you ask. When you get the answer, your head is ready. You know about it. After you know it, you have to come down to your heart level. So from head to heart. What is heart saying? Now I have got all the knowledge. Correct? Okay, this is the knowledge about the mobile. This is black color, brown color, and all the things you question answer. I know, okay, this is a mobile. Whose mobile is this? When you bought, all the information you have. The next is, unless I say this is mine, it belongs to me, I'm not going to take care of it. My action will not come. Okay, so after knowledge, your heart needs to connect with belonging. This is mine, my planet, my sister, my brother, my planet, my people. Unless until we have this connection of belonging, our action with hand will be different. So triangle I was talking about, head, heart, and hand. These three need to connect.
Wow.
When these three connect, when the connection happens, batti to jalna hi hai. Switch on hoga. Problem ka solution will come, because every problem has got a solution. If you see the problem, that means you have the solution. That is why you can see the problem. Okay, so this is how we start treating our mind. Okay, so another I have got another few wonderful triangles which can help the healing part of it.
1 second. Before you start on that, there are two questions here that Jay has. One is, how do we sustain healing? And there was one more question you had asked, Jay. What was that? Okay, right now I can't find it. But the question here that I can see is, how do we sustain healing?
Okay. Sustainability is part of the nature. How do you sustain healing? It is a routine in our life. We set a routine. Now I will tell you, like memory. How you sustain memory? When you call it memory, when you can reproduce it, it comes in a cycle. That is why in the nature, everything is in a cycle.
Right.
Okay? Circle is very important to sustain. There is no breakage. The moment the circle breaks, your sustainability is gone. It has to go and create another circle. Okay.
Right.
So what is the circle? A triangle and the circle both are sustainable figure because they are connected. It is a continuity is there. Human beings will reproduce human beings to sustain the humanity. Correct? Every living being is reproducing in a different methods. किसी के बड़े अंडे होते हैं, किसी के छोटे अंडे होते हैं, किसी के शरीर के बाहर अंडा आता है, किसी के शरीर के अंदर में रहता है, किसी के तो लेकिन ब्रांचेस काट के दे दो हाथ पैर, लेकिन उनके बच्चे बन जाते हैं, जैसे कि प्लांट्स है ना, ईस्ट है. सो देयर आर डिफरेंट वे ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन. सो आर शब्द रिपीट reproduction, it sustains, and that is what brings the cycle. Okay, so everything is sustainable on this planet. It breaks when we misbehave. When it breaks, it creates another cycle. One is the destruction cycle, another is a constructive cycle. Okay, so cycle has to be there. In nature में something like या तो वो कुचक्र बनेगा या सुदर्शन चक्र बनेगा. I would say या कुदर्शन चक्र या सुदर्शन चक्र. चक्र तो है ही. Circle has to be there. Okay, so that is how we say the sustainability is there in the nature. That is the law of sustainability.
Right. So it's very difficult to convince people to prioritize body, mind, and soul. Soil.
Yeah.
So how does one do that?
Okay, it starts within you, in your home. See, every activity which human beings have will have something remaining. For example, I am sitting and talking to Guinea and I am using a tissue paper, right? In between, I am using it, keeping it. After some time, what will happen? Its use is over. It remains. We are cutting vegetable. Every part we are not using. Sometimes we are peeling it, sometimes we are cutting the edge, whatever. Something is remaining. Any
Yeah.
activity will have something remaining. Okay. So your sustainability starts from there. God has created soil for what? After all the work, remaining things should go back to the soil, because my remains is a precious precious what मैं तो और कहती हूँ कि मेरा जो खाने पीने का बचा हुआ है, whatever is remaining from my thali is a biryani for my plant.
True.
Okay, so you have to give it further. You are a giver. So the moment you become the giver within yourself, in your family, you are creating sustainability. Today, we are not doing it. We are mixing whatever God made things, man made things. God made in the plant on the soil or in the planet, and we made in the factory. Both remains are different in character. If you mix them together, it becomes useless. Why it becomes useless? Because neither a plant can use nor a factory can use it. So what you're going to do? Oh, useless thing must be rejected. Rejected करना क्या? मेरे आंखों के सामने से चले जाना चाहिए भाई. It should go away from my home. So dustbin बना दिया, सोचा अरे वाह यार, I have created great design. After dustbin, where it goes? In somebody else, other village or where nobody is there. This planet is yours. There is no place in this planet which is of nobody's.
Exactly.
It belongs to me. The moment
That's what
that
makes me
belonging
independent.
comes, yes, dumping yard will not be there. We have the God distilled the water from the sea. उसमें का salt नहीं लाया, बादल बनाया. God has given us a distilled water from the mountain, made it into mineral water, and it is coming through the rills to a drain. And what we are doing, putting all our solid and liquid waste into our drain and call it ganda nala. Huh?
Yeah.
God is giving us nice filtered distilled water, mineral water, और हम उसको गंदा कर देते हैं. And when then we go out with our engineering genius to create RO system. है? अरे, use your engineering genius in some other place, यार, where God has already done what you're going to do there.
Oh,
Right.
wow. Okay.
So we have made our rivers into a garbage carrying transport system.
Yeah.
And we are killing all the living beings there. In the ocean, look at the quantity of plastic, and what we say, plastic buri hai. Why plastic buri hai, yaar? You are doing everything, covering everything with plastic. Your food is preserved in the plastic. Is this fantastic thing? Why buri? No, अरे नहीं, वो अच्छी है. अच्छी भी है, बुरी भी है, कैसे हो सकता है? Our question and answer is wrong. What is बुरी? बुरी क्या है? What is not good? Our behavior of use and throw.
True.
Use and throw behavior is wrong. वो बुरी है. उसको ठीक करोगे तो everything is going to become all right.
Right.
Correct? Nothing is cheap.
Wastage बहुत ज्यादा है.
वेस्टेज करना ही क्यों है? It is remaining, you send it as raw material, make it money. That is your resource. और हम लोग लक्ष्मी की पूजा करते हैं. लक्ष्मी को अपने घर से निकाल के तू कौन पूछते हैं उनसे काम होने के बाद? रिजेक्टेड. ये माइंडसेट चेंज करना. रिजेक्टेड माइंडसेट कहां से आया? बिकॉज अगेन बैलेंसिंग. Entire universe is on balance. Correct? Balancing is very important. नहीं तो we cannot walk also. Everything is balancing in this world. God said, if you take in all the Vedas and Puranas, everywhere is there. I refer from the Bible because I read it more. Genesis chapter 6, you say, where God created everything so beautifully. Said, अरे propagate, क्या पुतो फलो और भर जाओ. everything. And human being को भी बना के बोले कि God created human being in his own image and said,
Yes.
oh, everything I have given. Because God created everything in his according to God's own will, did not ask a permission. So God gave, provided the right. So पूरे हमको पंच महाभूत तत्व के रूप में दे दिए and told that एक ही काम नहीं करना. There is a fruit in the garden which is called the fruit of the knowledge of good and bad. कोई एप्पल नहीं था वो. It was about the mindset. The fruit of the knowledge of good and bad, don't eat. And we went and ate that only.
Oh God, I love you.
Don't balance between the good and bad. We sit and do that only. Teach our children that only. Isn't it? And balancing, क्या करना था? Balance between your rights and responsibility. That we don't do. So when you balance between good and bad, half good and half bad will come. Isn't it? आधा अच्छा आधा बुरा. It will be called pakhandi mindset. Hypocrisy mindset. The moment hypocrisy mindset is there, it is accompanied with injustice and biases. 100%. The triangle ban gaya. Once the triangle is formed, it will work. So how it worked? It created rejection. Rejected people and rejected material. Reject karo. Kisko reject karo? The one who is unjust people, they are going to be biased. Correct? ये मेरा चाचा भतीजा है, मेरे को इसको नौकरी देना है, ये मेरा खून है इसलिए वो राजा बनेगा. All this biases यार. ये काला है या गोरा है, bias. अरे रंग का क्या है, सारे रंग अच्छे हैं. But when the moment biases and injustice and hypocrisy came together, it will create rejected people, and that rejection will be a permanent rejection. They will not forgive. There is no love in them. So what happens? All the rejected people become poor, poverty. क्यों गरीबी दिखाई दे रही है? Because there are hypocritic people in our communities, whether it is religion, whether it is science, anywhere you just name it, hypocrisy is there. How will you know? Poverty is there. When you continuously are poor, you are not getting your roti, kapda, makan and education, then you become destitute. किराएदार बोलेगा निकल भाई, भाग यहाँ से, पैसा नहीं दे सकता है.
True.
Destitute will become a prostitute because nobody is there owning them. And the criminal world is established to sustain that system. That is what we see in the communities today, everywhere. And what is the opposite of this? Hypocrisy, injustice, and the biases. Opposite of it is democracy, justice, and love. This is another triangle. Why? Democracy will always give azadi, freedom.
Which is not there in our country now.
Nowhere. Anywhere the hypocritic leadership is there, you cannot have freedom. There will be slavery only. They like to enslave people for their own benefit only. But democracy, God's policy is democracy, justice, and love.
Love. Where there is love, democracy and justice will automatically come.
Yes.
It's the whole, I've always been saying this. God is equal to love. God is equal to nature. That's what God is. There is no other meaning of God.
Yes.
Yes. So I mean, if you can love, that means you are invoking God. And if you can love nature and protect nature or feel one with nature, you're invoking God. And when you're invoking God, anything that you wish for, it's not possible that it will not happen. It has to happen.
It has to happen.
Because you're working out of love, compassion, kindness.
Yes. So which triangle we need to maintain? The democracy, justice, and love triangle.
Yeah.
What is the evidence? Your health. There is no poverty. There will be, even if somebody makes a mistake, you will forgive, and with love, you will bring them back. You will not reject them. Even if anything is remaining in your home, you will make it back into the resources. Nothing is rejected in God's creation. Everything is useful. Even the crack I was making a small centerpiece for my daughter's wedding. So there was a little crack in that particular wood piece. I said, I am not going to fill it up. I filled it with golden color and create a design and told
Wow.
us that daughter and my son, who is son-in-law, who is going to marry her, that life is not perfect. Purposefully, God has not made it perfect, because in every imperfection, you have to create a design, a unique design.
Right. How beautiful. My God, we are learning so much from you. I mean, वो आयुष्मान और NCDS तो सीखते रह गया. We're
Yeah.
learning so much about life from you.
Because you asked what is the mindset, how does it heal? So we are talking about mindset.
Yeah.
So it is
True,
a
true.
healing
But
of
that is
mind. Yeah, it is healing of mind.
very
So
important.
yeah, yeah. So when you
Very.
maintain that triangle, your mental diseases are gone. You are detoxing yourself. And then the medicines will work. Then all our electromagnetic things, our oxygen, oxidization in our body works. And therefore, happiness is so important. Joy is important. And it comes with the triangle of democracy, justice, and love.
Justice and love. True.
Hypocrisy, injustice, and biases will always bring rejected people to poverty, to destitution, to prostitution, and to the criminal world.
Since we are on the topic, I want to ask you something. I mean, you explained everything so beautifully. But what I don't understand is, in spite of hypocrisy and injustice
And
and
bias.
bias, the wrong people are at the top and they're really enjoying life.
Yeah.
And the good people, they are suffering.
What
Why
happened
is
is, why it happened? Because the rishis and the munis, when I call rishis and munis, they are the people who have got the democracy, justice, and love triangle, and their head, heart, and hand connected in this manner. Okay, so these are the people who have stopped, like no, take action, who have stopped taking action. They are keeping quiet, and because of that, the hypocrisy, there is no other choice. So they are very aggressive people because they are very selfish. They want everything for themselves, so they jump into it. So now is the time when the crisis comes. It challenges the rishis and the munis in our communities to wake up, stand up. If we, you and me, are talking about it, we are the rishis and the munis who understand this. The media has to take it to the people and teach them, because the people, they love to have leadership. That is how the group dynamics are made. So if in the group dynamics, if the leader is hypocritic, so what happens? The hypocrite is actually a wolf, not a shepherd, but they are in the clothing of a wolf, a shepherd. A wolf is in the clothing of a shepherd, and our Aam Janta is, no, they just follow the leader. They think that okay, all they are saying is correct, so they just follow them. So what we need to do? We need to wake up. People like you and me who understand it, and those people who are listening to me just now, you are not here by mistake. You are here by a purpose. You need to wake up and ask questions. Why? Then only you will know what to do.
very
Everyone.
true. If people don't wake up, they do not question, they will not get their answers and they will not get their freedom and a good, happy life, joyful life.
Correct.
If they're going to
Absolutely.
follow the wolf in sheep's clothing. Okay, with whatever is going around, you spoke about Dr. Bishwaroop Roy Chaudhary treating 60,000 people
Yeah.
and Ayush, accepting it and all. So that was about people who were sick that were treated. What about
Which,
people
yeah.
who have taken this, uh, how do you detox the
Detox.
negative effects of that?
Okay.
Because in a
Okay.
lot of,
So,
most organizations are forcing people that if you do not take it, you're not allowed entry.
yeah.
Offices, colleges, schools, and now schools and colleges are opening up, and children will be have to, children will have to go, and they'll have to probably take it. If they're intelligent, they would not, but they may have to take it. And a lot of people
Yeah.
are dying because of it. We have the statistics. So, what can really help for people who've already made the mistake of taking it?
There is only one choice, that they need to be detoxed. Detox with the mineral therapy, detox with the electromagnetic machine, which we have now, our engineers have brought it, detox with the oxygen machine, which I said, e-medicare. These are the things which helps your body to detox. And certain a variety of vaccines which have, if it has done any modification in the genetics, then this detox has to happen for continuously till you want to live. So detox the only way to get rid of the viruses, the pathogens, and the unwanted substance which is in case producing in our body. Because if death rate is there, that is the evidence that there is something which is wrong inside our body. So only detox can help, and it is possible. There is nothing which is not possible. It is
So
possible.
you mean people are scared that they will die. So instead of that, if they are for whatever reason they've already taken it, or maybe they're forced to take it,
Yeah.
uh, they can start this therapy and
Yes.
treatment immediately, and
Yes.
it will help because it seems there was, people were getting magnetized, and they had this Bluetooth
Yeah.
thing. When you open your Bluetooth, the people,
Yes.
they
Yes.
had a Bluetooth address.
Mm.
So it,
Okay.
it can treat
Yes.
it.
I have also seen, in fact, one. Yeah. In fact, one of my patient, whom I was treating at home, because she was one of my family members, and in her on her body, she's not even vaccinated. She was
Oh,
just infected with COVID, and she, like, no, we treated her, and she became all right. But I see that even the big scissor and the big that fat stapler is getting stuck to her body. So I sent the information to our scientist. He said that the even the virus is producing some kind of spike protein,
yeah,
and this protein is changing the ferritin in our body. We have got some iron material in our body, ferritin. It is changing,
right.
altering the ferritin in our body, and that's why it is happening. So he said continue the detox, and so I am continuing it. It is now 3 months over, and now I will go and check that to how much that magnetism has come down. So it is not just the vaccine which is causing this magnetic phenomenon, and it is not on everybody. There are certain bodies which are showing. Because I since I'm seeing this, I tell everybody who have taken the vaccine, this test and see. So not everyone, and
Okay.
not all the like even the vaccinated people are showing this. So there is something which is changing in our bloodstream, and we know that it is the alteration of ferritin is happening, and detox can definitely change it, because it is connected to iron, so it can convert in, it can be oxidized also. Our body is oxidation body, so detox is possible.
Okay. Because I've heard of so many deaths in people I know
Yeah.
who have died like 2 days later, or 2 weeks later, or two
Yeah.
months later.
Yeah.
So if they take it or forced to take it, then they can start this detox, you're saying. And
Absolutely,
they,
absolutely, yeah.
good.
Because there are substances which is altering our lymphocytes. We have got type 1 lymphocyte and type 2 lymphocytes. So type
Okay.
1 lymphocyte is the one which attacks our pathogens, or anything which is antigen, which is not of our body, which is hurting our body, they kill it. And after
Uh,
killing, the dead bodies are cleaned by the type 2 lymphocytes.
okay.
So, like, no, there are, like, our scientists are saying that the type 2 lymphocytes are being disabled somewhere. And so, in future, we may see a lot of autoimmune disorder people.
Yeah.
So, all of them, autoimmune disorders must be detoxed. That is the only best way. So, in the coming days, detox therapy should be available everywhere, and that is we are working towards it. We have the engineers with us, we have the experts who are like, no, tele apps are created for the medicine and the medical consultancy. All these people are coming together, they are in our group now, so that people can call and get the service. They know from where to get the medicine, from where to get the instruments which can detox us. And this group of panel of doctors will supervise them online, on phone, and the physical areas where the instruments or the medicines will be available, all things will be. Now we are just what you call organizing it. So very soon it should be available for people, because we know already in India more than 40 crore people are gone through the Tikakaran, and we need to be prepared to handle the situation, especially the autoimmune disorders, blood clots, all these things which are seen. We need to be prepared. So that is where I think that integrated medical sciences, which Dr. Bishrup has started with his team, and all of us are coming together with that, it will make something available for all the people. And when people come together, things can happen. We need not have to wait for anybody, because even the in the law, the international health law, the Helsinki Declaration for Health, it gives the freedom to the patients and the doctors to take a decision on a line of treatment. In the case when there is no treatment available, they can take the decision to use anything which is available. So now it is not just anything, but things which are scientifically verified, it is available. The doctors have the right to use it, the patients have the right to ask for it. Healing is in
Wonderful.
there. Yeah.
Wonderful. Amazing. So, in case, I wish to put some doctors onto you so they could probably buy these machines and treat people. So, I could do
Yes.
that.
Bilkul, you can do that. They can come into the panel. So we can have the teleconsultation panel will be coming up. So in every state, in every city, it should be there. So whoever doctors who are open-minded and want to be the part of it, we are creating a system in which they can be in like, no, they can become the members in it. Recently, I think around 7 months ago, the special society has been formed, that is called the Telemedicine Society. So the Telemedicine Society's head doctor, what is her name? Dr. Telang is there in Pune. She got in touch with me, and I said, "This is fantastic. The medicine has to reach to people, and they have got their own protocols. So we will go through that. The doctors will be trained on these protocols, and we will be able to serve people wherever we are. We need only open minded. There should not be competitive mind. They
True.
should think that, okay, my medicine has got this limitation, but I'm going to use the other medicine. You
True.
just
Very
need
true.
a little training. All the doctors are already well trained in anatomy and physiology, everything you know. Yes, you need to know a new technology, a new medicine, somebody else's medicine. Like, no, I will always teach anybody.
I think
Not
all the
much.
doctors of the world should connect with you, and they should everybody form. I mean, in whatever field they are doctors in, be it acupressure, or herbal, or organic, or
Yes.
diet, or maybe emergency doctors, ICU
Yes.
specialists. You
Yeah.
never know. They
Yes.
could your team could really help them.
Yes,
And it's
definitely.
more about saving the lives of people and giving them back their health rather
Absolutely.
than making money. Problem
Absolutely.
is everybody today wants to make money.
See, there is, I mean, you need the resources to reach to many people. The more you give the value will come to you.
True.
First, focus on the value. Your resources will come. You can see
Yeah.
your resources for what? For yourself and for to give back again. That
Yeah.
is the law of the nature. That is the sustainable law of the nature, isn't it? So nobody need to get scared that अरे उनका धंधा खराब हो जाएगा. Nothing. When you give value to the people, the value will come back to you.
Come back.
Money is neutral in the nature. If the money is used by hypocrites, the hypocrisy will multiply. If the money is used by the people with integrity, with great value, the money will actually multiply those great values.
True.
Money is just a means.
Yes. That's what people don't understand.
Yes. If once we understand, you know that how you are empowered person.
True.
You will never feel bad to heal anybody because, I mean, make money in so many other things, Make
True.
money in real estate, yeah. Create sustainable housing. Make
Yes.
money in that. Make money in cleaning your rivers. Make money cleaning every problem. When you solve, the money will come. That is the life. We are supposed to solve the problem, but don't create a problem and then solve it. उसमें मजा नहीं आता है ना?
True. True.
Hypocrisy में क्या होता है? They create a new problem and they create a problem for their own benefit.
Right.
ठीक है ना?
There is a doctor here. He's a dietitian, a quite popular dietitian who's helped a lot of people with their diabetes and blood pressure just by putting them on vegan food. Okay. He
Okay.
propagates vegan food, and he just gives them some different diets, and he fell sick with this disease
Okay.
last week, and
Okay.
they were all, the whole family and everybody was very worried. So his one of his doctors had come home, so I just gave him a packet of the minerals that I had ordered from you.
Okay.
He said, no, he's sick. I said, just shut up and just take this and just give it to him and tell me tomorrow. And he sent his man to me to ask how to give that medicine. So I gave your number. I said, why don't you ask her? No, you tell us. We'll speak to her later. I don't know if they called you. So I told them how to use it, 6 drops in a bottle, and you just drink that. Next day, he calls me up and he says that he is fine now and he's already gone for his walk.
So nice.
And so in one day, that has made such a big difference. But when I was telling you to have it, you had so many hang-ups. Like, he's got the virus and he is sick and this and that. Oh my God, you were panicking. And like in one day, he's fine. And I mean, he probably must have taken it for 2-3 days. And then I told him, I said that she's also teaching you how to make it. Please learn so that you can help people when and if, God forbid, but if the third wave happens to come. So you also are, your batch is still on?
Yeah, it is on, but I'm just hanging on to it till because I have created now how many people? 16 people. So all the 16 of them have got the medicine. Let me see that, let them distribute it and become confident. And then we will create more batches on. But I want to train only those people who have healed themselves, they have experience, and then come and train so that they can heal another 10 people.
Yes. That's why I told that person to learn it.
Yeah.
Because he is the one who is treating through neurotherapy a lot of autistic children. You remember I told you about him? So I told him, I said, अब आपको इस दवाई का टेस्ट मिल गया, अब उन सारे बच्चों को ये दवाई दो और दवाई बनाना सीखो.
Correct. It would be so nice, actually.
That is, इसीलिए तो that's why I gave it to him. I said, all those autistic children or paralysis or whatever it is, the children that you're treating, please learn how to make this medicine and give it free to those children. If somebody can afford it, they're rich, fine, you can charge them. But the
Yes,
other children, many of them, you can give it free.
yes.
So that's why I
That's
put
good.
him onto, and that's why I told him to learn it from you.
Okay, okay, okay. So he
So
can
anyway, so if
pull it
anybody
up.
wants to learn, you can
Mhm.
always create a batch. Supposing about 4 or 5 people get
Definitely.
together.
Definitely. I have funneled them in such a way that one, like all those who are using even once, I put them into the broadcast group. And from there, once they have the experience and they show a desire that I want to, they can send a WhatsApp to me. I would like to learn. So they have to just explain to me what disease they have cured in themselves. Then I put them into the second group. Take them out of the broadcast. I bring them to my personal webinar group. There I nurture them. And once they completely are ready mentally and they want to really serve, then I put them into the training program. And once they finish
Yeah.
their training program, their wellness warriors group will happen where you are there. Wellness warriors. So these wellness warriors, they will learn how to make medicine and how to treat others because they have experience of treating themselves. So
Right.
they like, no, this is how it should spread. That is what I enjoy doing it.
True. Very good. Yeah. I want to ask you one more thing.
Ha.
Off the track. But I mean, it's a wrong question I'm going to ask, but how old are you? Because you don't look any older than me.
No, no, I am 58.
Oh, that's it. My
Yeah.
God, but you look so young. I mean, your skin is so good. Other than the fact that you've not colored my hair and I've colored my hair, other than that, I mean, you look so young. I mean,
Oh,
you
thank you.
seriously, if your hair would be colored, you would probably look something like what? 40,
40.
45? Yeah, that's
Yes.
it. So is it that serious that's also helping you stay young?
Hopefully, yes. Your mindset, when you have dopamine secretion, it should keep you healthy. If you are
What?
keeping somebody else healthy, dopamine.
Yeah. But where does that dopamine come from?
See, when you are smiling and laughing just now, why it is happening? Because that dopamine secreting and it has come to your blood. So
Yes, but I have seen you 24/7 smiling and laughing and bubbly and on top of the world. How do you manage to do that?
that is a decision you have to make because it doesn't come by automatically. Again, another triangle I'm going to give you. That
Please
is
do. Please do.
the stimulus and the responses in the environment is not in your control, but
Right.
the coping up is your choice. How do you want to cope up?
Right.
Okay. So just now, you and me are in the cycle of response and stimulus. Okay.
Right.
And every time if there is a situation where I need to cope up, I have to take a decision. I want to be happy. If a
Right.
situation is making me sad, I know if somebody is shouting at me or somebody egoistic coming and saying something wrong to me or about me, sometimes I can become sad. Absolutely, I'll become angry. But I choose not to because I'm
Yeah.
not going to entertain it. Whatever
Right.
you practice, that is what will happen. Correct. So I have
True.
learned to practice smiling, smiling. When everything goes wrong in life, I go to the in front of the mirror and I say, "Thank you, God, for making me like you. I am
Oh,
so
wow.
happy."
God, seriously, I've always seen you so bubbly and energetic and
Yes,
smiling and happy and joyous.
yes,
That just being happy, being
yes,
joyous all the time and in gratitude of, with God keeps
yes.
you young, I feel.
Absolutely.
It gives you a
Absolutely.
long life. And that is where I believe so. When you are like that, that is when God fulfills all your wishes and all
Man.
your dreams, and He helps you towards your goal because you're always happy.
Absolutely.
You're in gratitude.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
it's only when you're sulking, frustrated, angry, then God is like, okay, I don't want this devil's energy. You sort yourself out, and then I'll come think
Yes,
about,
yes, yes, absolutely.
fulfilling your wishes.
Absolutely. When then you said no, when you are sulking, when you are unhappy, God cannot connect with you. You know, the connection happens with the happiness and gratitude. I have another three things I'm going to give you. So
Sure.
many things.
So what?
Always give thanks. Have gratitude. Always be happy and always pray. Pray.
True.
Once you are giving happy, once you are giving thanks, you will be
Thanks.
happy. When you are happy, you ask. In prayer, you
True.
ask. When these three triangle meet, God will give.
Amazing. That's beautiful. You know
And
what?
then
I've started feeling you were talking about a circle and triangles.
triangle.
किधर गया वो निकाल दिया मैंने. So a circle, and in that all these triangles is the mandala for wish
Ah,
fulfillment. It's called
absolutely.
Sri Yantra. So it's a
Okay.
circle in
Yeah.
which there are, see, this is the Sri Yantra. It's a
Yantra.
circle, and
Okay.
in that there are so many triangles. So
Yes.
these actually that you can see are corners of the triangles. It's like one from here like this, then
Yeah.
one from here like this.
Correct. Correct. You can make
So
so many
it's
triangles
all
there.
those wonderful triangles that you're talking about.
Correct. Correct.
They're the same triangles and circle. That's it.
Yes. 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 And the secret about the circle,
What?
when the circle is twisted, what it becomes?
Eight.
Figure of eight. Okay.
Two
What
circles.
is, yes. So it is not, it is a true two triangles where the narrow ones are touching each other.
Huh.
Okay.
Huh.
So the narrow part is the part in psychology. Okay. This is the narrow comes in the middle.
Yeah, I know, but true triangles, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, two triangles. The narrow comes in the middle. When the circle is twisted, that is called when the circle goes to the hypocrisy mindset. The twist.
Ah.
Okay. When it
You
is
know what?
twist, yeah.
8 is the number of crime also.
Oh, really? Okay.
In numerology, 8 is the number of crime.
That makes a lot of sense
Now
because
continue.
yeah, when the circle is twisted, it becomes figure of eight. It has got a narrowness here like this, and this narrow part is the experience of hell in emotion. What is
Ah.
the emotion which the psychologists have created is that guilt, shame,
Regret.
regret and anger and fear. All these things are the lower part of those triangles.
Hmm.
And the day this circle is twisted back in, this figure of eight is twisted
Back into the circle.
back, that has to happen in the nature. Because of
Right.
the hypocrisy, the circle is twisted. We have that is called also the word called sin. Sin is nothing but it is a narrowness in our thoughts, narrowness in our mind, which creates the hell like of experience. Whereas God wants us to in the heaven. So when you cross this, you cross this only by love and forgiveness. Love
Right.
and forgiveness is the only one which moves this, or at least moves your emotion to the higher levels, where you come to neutral level. The moment you reach to the neutral level, you look for justice. You will never take somebody's side. The balance happens, and then you go further into higher, where the love, joy, peace, and enlightenment happens. That is the heavenly experience. So
So
when I
number
understood the
8.
secret of the circle,
number 8,
Yeah,
if it
number
is turned like this, it is the sign of infinity, like a circle never ends. The
never
sign
end.
of infinity never ends, but it keeps crossing.
That
And
cross, yes,
this two circles like this is the circle of materialism, where most of humanity is today.
yeah,
What they need to do is go around that and go up to the circle of spirituality.
spirituality. They
So
have
it
to.
is when they need to create a balance, but that balance is not there. They are all stuck in this
Yeah.
circle below.
Yeah, so at this moment of time, we are suffering with the hypocritic mindset of the leadership, and it is been infesting the humanity for a long time. And that is what needs to be opened, and the circle has to complete. And that is what the hope of salvation we call it. Like no, every faith system they talk about this final hope. So I believe in that hope. Like I decided to believe that yes, Jesus came and sacrificed with love and forgiveness. He brought that, like no, he widened that, and the coming back is about opening of this figure of it. The return of Jesus Christ is the opening of figure eight. And that is where the hypocrisy will be over. Your voice,
I think it's time for the figure of 8 to open now. That's why all that is happening in the world and all that is being exposed is
yes,
actually happening because God wants to open that figure.
opening that figure. Yes. So I
I
really
think
enjoyed this understanding this mindset. See, we are still in the mindset of understanding. And then comes the disease, and or then comes the soil healing and the disease. So diseases will not be there to kill us anymore once the circle is open. When the circle is
right.
open.
So, anything else that you would like to share?
Okay, I think yes, all those who are listening to us, they can take this message that we in this on this planet have to live in cooperation, not in competition. Encourage your doctors and your healthcare givers not to have spardha. Let us
Yeah,
treat, and
no
and
competition.
yeah, without competition, you can treat every disease at home because you have all the material available in your kitchen. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, one
What-
second. Do you want
yeah.
to talk anything about adulteration or kitchen food or home remedies? If you have the time, I don't mind.
Okay. The adulteration is a subject which I have not dealt by itself, but I know that because of that behavior, hypocrites only will bring adulteration. Okay, they are the one who will mix it. The good and bad ka mixing ho gaya. So adulterate ho gaya. That is a hypocrisy. So what we need to do, we have to create our triangle. Let us change our culture. One day I will come and talk about the cultures,
Okay,
that
sure.
how the how the cultures are formed, and when it becomes a curse, and when the revolution can happen. Okay,
Right.
so like while we are partying, just remember that our competition is over in our mother's womb. Okay,
Yes.
here we have to cooperate, and the moment cooperation comes, life become adventures. God wants us to be adventurers. Adventure of life is so beautiful. You will be happy person, live longer, and die happily. You don't need to die in despair, like no despair and desperation. We need to die happily. We have to tell our children that bhai mera time ho gaya. I have kept this much of money. Look after me till my last moment. Okay. If no children are there, hire somebody, or at least their family will be running. So you and me who are reaching to the next level, we have to create our own resources, okay, our relationships, so that we can say goodbye from this body, and
Yeah.
meet with God. So I want everyone to live healthy life, health in mind, soil, and in body. May God bless you till we meet again.
Thank you. Bye. We'll have another session on culture.
Oh, yes, on culture, that will be interesting.
Yes.
Sure.
Okay. Bye. Thank
Okay.
you, doctor.
Thank you. Thank you. It was nice meeting you guys. Sure.
Bye. Bye. Right. So I hope everybody enjoyed this session. I definitely did. And I learned so much from her. What an amazing thought process she has, and how beautifully she's explained everything. It's really been wonderful. I'm really looking forward to that next session on culture and how it becomes a curse. Meanwhile, I initially forgot to scroll this banner, but it's scrolling now. Her website is SAF India, SAAF India.org. And the contact number is 8888315552. You can get in touch with her in case you want to just be prepared and order for some of those mineral therapy drops. Please feel free to do so. It's not very expensive and it's very effective. In fact, honestly, I'm taking it. Sometimes I forget to take it, but I generally take it for weight loss. And I don't know if it's helped. You tell me maybe in another 10, 20 days time if it's helped me. But yes, I like taking those medicines. It's just nothing. This is like water. You just put some drops in a bottle and have that 1 liter bottle of water whole day. It gives me a lot of oxygen and it detoxes me. So और कुछ नहीं तो detox तो हो ही जाता है. तो चलो करके देख लेते हैं. एंड बहुत सारे लोगों को बहुत सारे फायदे हुए हैं. ये मुझे पता है क्योंकि मैंने उनको आई पुट देम ऑन टू दिस मेडिसिन और वो लोग वो कर रहे हैं. किसी के फेस से निशान चले गए, किसी का कुछ मतलब बीमारी ठीक हो गई, जैसे मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले कहा. तो आप चाहो तो इस बारे में अपनी रिसर्च कर लो. डॉक्टर ने बहुत सारे लिंक्स और डॉक्यूमेंट्स और डेटा भेजा था जो मैंने अपने टेलीग्राम ग्रुप पे शेयर किया था. मैंने ट्विटर पे भी शेयर किया था तकरीबन 1-2 महीने पहले. बट ऑफ कोर्स अगर आप चाहें तो मुझे मैसेज कर देना, मैं दोबारा शेयर कर लूंगी, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. So meanwhile, don't forget to share this video because I really want this therapy and this thought process, all the knowledge that she shared to reach out to people so that their brains open up. जो बंद दिमाग है ना उनका थोड़ा खुले, जो गंदगी भरी हुई दिमाग में थोड़ी सी निकले और थोड़ा सा सुधर जाए ह्यूमैनिटी. So I really want people to wake up. I really want people to heal in every manner. कोई पता नहीं होता कब अनजाने में आप किसी की मदद कर दो, किसी की जान बचा लो. तो please don't forget to share this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye. I'll send you my number, Dalia.